Several days ago, ChargerLAB tested the iQOO 200 watts GAN charger, and the peak power can be up to 178 watts, and the current can be up to 10 amp. So this original 10 amp cable is indispensable. It's also the only USB-C cable that supports 10 amp, and today we're gonna take it apart and check the internal structure. This cable is quite soft and it looks like an ordinary cable, but the 10 amp on the protective sleeve means it can support up to 10 amp. The internal pins are less than 24 pins. The extended sleeve can protect the junction. And the length is about 1.5 meters, and the weight is about 61 grams. Except for the iQOO 200 watts fast charging, ChargerLAB PowerZ KM002C shows it also supports 100 watts PD fast charging. Next, let's take it apart and check what's inside. Firstly, we have to remove the outer case. The metal sleeve is under it, and there are some dense solder joints on the front and back which can fix the connector. There might be a chip under the bulb in the middle. The junction is also fixed tightly. The entire PCB is covered with translucent hot glue, and heat-resistant tape is used for insulation. After cleaning up the tape and glue, we can see the e-marker chip is on the front of the small PCB. The red wire and yellow VCON wire are under it. Flip to the back, we can see the CC wire, USB 2.0 wire, and the red wire. The e-marker chip is from Hynetek HUSB332A, marked with 332A. It also has passed the USB IF certification. The other connector is the same. The internal pins are widened and thickened to reduce resistance and support 10 amp high current. And then cut off the cable. There are 9 wires in different colors inside. And then let's take apart the cable and introduce them one by one. Firstly, cut off the outer TPE, and the shielding layer is under it. There is a layer of aluminum foil. All wires in different colors are wrapped with this aluminum foil. Those 2 red wires with tensile fibers are used for positive power supply. The pink wire is connected in parallel with the red wires for fast charging and high current, which is also the additional wire mentioned by iQOO. It can increase the cross-sectional area of the cable to reduce the resistance and support 10 amp current. The green and white wires are used for USB 2.0 transmission and have tensile fibers inside. The blue wire is CC wire. The yellow wire is VCON wire. Those 2 bare wires are used for negative power supply and have tensile fibers. The non-insulated design can reduce the diameter of the cable, providing a larger cross-sectional area and reducing resistance. Finally, those are extra tensile fibers inside to improve strength. Well, that's all wires inside this 10 amp cable. It adopts a customized USB-C connector for higher current. Compared with ordinary 100 watts cable, there is also an extra pair of positive and negative wires inside, which can effectively reduce the loss under high current by increasing the cross-sectional area. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!